Today is a perfect day to explore the Sohoton Cove. The travel agent picked us up at 7:30 in the morning and we hop into a jeepney for a 20-minute ride to 𝐸𝐻 Port. They provide us with a handset to block out the loud motor noise during the 2-hour journey to Sohoton Cove. As we make our way to Sohoton Cove, I find myself completely captivated by the breathtaking beauty of the nature surrounding us. The lush greenery, majestic mountain, and the serene river create a picturesque scenes that leave me in awe. It is truly magical experience and I can't wait to explore the wonder that awaits us in the park. We are arrived in this first destination. It's a Sohoton Cove, and we are coming from this boat here. Very nice, beautiful color of water. We were doing 4 kinds of activity around this cove, and we were transferred in a small boat, which is only for 6 persons, and then we will be going to lunch in the next destination.
The snorkel mask is $150. Hello, how are you?
Yeah, we want 2 sets. Thank you.
There's a lot of people waiting to transfer.
I hope you can see how clear this water is. I mean, it's just super clear. Very cool, huh?
While we're waiting, we saw people buy a lot of donuts and then have one. 10 for 1.
Highly nutritious. Very nutritious.
10 peso for 1 donut, the small donut. Is it good? Okay, huh? Not bad, right?
There's nothing else to do right now, so might as well eat.
Yeah, everyone is waiting here to transfer to the small boat. Jellyfish is a creature that often evokes fear in everyone. However, the jellyfish sanctuary here boasts stingless species. Despite my initial apprehension, I gathered the courage to touch them, and gradually my fear disappeared. Swimming with these grateful creatures is an incredible experience. I find myself mesmerized by their movements, wondering if they are aware of our presence. Besides that, I wonder if these jellyfish are edible? Just a curious thought. We came to the second one, is the aluminum cave. And you go into the cave, you hold your breath for 8 seconds, and it's awfully dark. You cannot wear the life jacket to go inside. So I'm here. 𝐕𝐾𝐍𝐶 Cave is not for the faint-hearted. It requires wading through the narrow entrance, walking in the dark light manner and standing in the water up to your chest. Inside, fruit baths hang from the cave ceiling, and the stunning rock formation greet us. However, the only exit from the cave involved jumping off of low cliff, about 20 to 30 feet. Personally, cliff jumping is not my cup of tea. So we are here in Lagoon 𝐇𝐎𝐁𝐎. It's lagoon, so it's beautiful. And we stop here for lunch.
Going hiking to a lagoon right near where we had lunch here. Well, it's just like, it's probably 3 minutes from the restaurant where we had lunch. I wonder if it's clear water.
This healing land as a natural divider between the lagoon and the sea. Along the trail, you will come across picturesque wooden bridges and a swing crafted by the local, perfect for capturing memorable photos.
So we had to get off the boat because the water is too shallow to get through this little channel here. So we'll walk to the other side of the channel, the boat will float, and then we'll get back on. That to give you an idea of how rural the areas we're in. We're not dredging channels like this. It's kind of remote, so it makes sense.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Wow, so shadow. You just need to have, a little bit way out from the boat, then some other can stay on the boat. Yeah. Woo. So we are waiting for our boat to come. Wow. So shadow, huh? Wow, just when we came, we were able to cross. If you want to know more about where we stay in 𝐂𝐷𝐻 and our apartment tour, please watch the video in the upper right hand corner of your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!